Anyway, so today there was like an air bubble puddle. Okay, it looked like somebody hocked a loogie, and so I had to sand that out and then put some more in there. So I'm going to flatten that out, and I also filled a couple little holes along here. I have all these different sandpapers. I have 100, 150, 320, 600, 1000, 2000, 3000, and then I'm going to use a buffer after that. So, and thank you for watching. Okay, so that's all the sandpapers. We got 100, 150, 320, 600, 1000, 1200, 1500, 2000, and 3000. And then after that, I'll switch to the buffer, which should take a lot less time since I have all these sandpapers. Before, I only had up to 320, so it took a lot longer to buff that. So here's hoping. Wish me luck. So I sanded it down flat now. I'm just going to go over, there's some other high spots right here. So I had to fill in some stuff. I'll put over here. And then once that's done being sanded, I'm going to route a 1/16 of an inch bullnose on all these edges. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to sand. There's a whole bunch of spots on this side that need sanding. And when I'm done with that, I'll route the 1/16 bullnose on this edge down here, obviously flipped over. The point of it is to graduate. So now I'm going to sand this with the 320. Alright, now I've got this router bit on here. And I'm going to route these corners and these corners right now. Focus on everything else. Okay. All right. Well, you can see that it's rounded over and you can see through it because I've sanded it with all the grits. Now I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. He's done. Look how shiny it is. Oh, it looks like there's still some residue I have to clean off here. There we go. Cool.